Okay, so real quick, I'll show you guys a easy way to remove a background from any image you could think of. It's going to work on your PC or your smartphone. Let's get into it. So I'm going to use my computer, but like I said, this will work for your smartphone as well. What you're going to do is just open your internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Go up to the top here and just type in remove.bg, press enter, and you get a website like this. So this is a free tool that will automatically remove backgrounds for you. You're going to click on this button that says upload image. Now you'll be able to select the image you want to remove the background from, and we're going to go with this baby pigeon here. And as you can see, shortly after uploading the image, it's already removed the entire background for me. If your image doesn't come out as clean as this one, there's an edit button here. If you click that, you can go to this erase/restore section, and this will allow you to erase some of the details it didn't remove or restore some of the details that it removed by accident. You can also click this background tab and upload your own background to the image, or you could even use the basic green color and now you have a green screen image. When you're all happy with it, you can click the download button and then you can click download image. So now if I open this, I have a PNG of a baby pigeon that I could use for whatever I want. So that's it. Subscribe to this channel for more cool tutorials like this. I thank you for watching.